Some money, Neat? You gonna send me some money? Yeah, send to my friend's cash that she got pay me. That's Bonnie. She'll confirm in the comments if she here. She'll confirm. I can't add nobody because it's a glitch. Yeah. I'm going away because I need spending money. I need my spending money. I got booked my flight. Here's a glitch. Yeah, I should move my life like it did me. Chocolate. Sure should move it then. You gonna? I'll take $6. You can give me $6. I sure will take $6. You gonna send it? I'll take it. Sure will. I'll take a little $6. Sure will. I'll take anything I can get at this point. I'll take a $6.51. Sure will. You can send it. I sure will take $6.54. It's better than nothing. I sure will take it. You gotta be mine. I gotta book my flight. We need more green. That's how much we need. Yes, spend money, food money, all kind of. Well, why you say it then? Say you send me $6. Yeah, take Zelle. No, we don't do no damn scam flight. Yeah, I got Zelle. Zelle my number. I'm paying my Zelle too. Yeah, I got Zelle. Yeah, I got Zelle. I didn't pay the Zelle. Pay the Apple Pay too. Yeah, I got Zelle. People who don't got Zelle on Apple Pay, I'm paying that. Paying the cash yet. Stung, that's my Stung by B. Stung by B, that's her name. Say for Maggie when you send. Say for Maggie. I'm pinning Apple and Zelle, saying my number. Apple. Zelle and Apple's my number. Well, the old number anyway. In case y'all got Venmo, we gonna pay the Venmo too. In case people want. We gonna pay Venmo. We gonna pay all the payments. Matter of fact, let's pay everything. 1, 2, 4. Let's pay PayPal too. Yeah, we gonna pay time too. We gonna pay everything. Matter of fact, we gonna pay everything. Pay all the payments. Oh, I got put Gmail. They ain't send me they damn lie. They ain't send me no damn money. I know they lie. They ain't send me no damn 700. I wish they did. Whoever said they getting the hell blocked. They ain't send me no damn $700 damn dollars. No, you know damn 700. You ain't send, whoever said they send me they finna lie. I ain't get a goddamn thing. You said what? I ain't get on 70 either. You said what? You sent me some money? Oh, that was you. You sent me $5. Oh, thanks for the $5. She might send me $5. So that's nice. Thanks. I'm gonna switch right there in a minute. Need. Check my Zelle. No, I got to pin my. Oh, that was you. Send me for thanks, pretty thing. Wait, let me get my subtraction ready. Hold on. So 54. Let me do my subtraction before I pin that thing. I ain't pin my Zelle yet. Let me hit that. -5. Okay, 649. 649. Wait a minute, put the money sounds like no. Alright. 649. My Zelle? No, 649. I ain't getting it. I ain't put my Zelle wasn't pinned. How you say my Zelle? I ain't get my Zelle yet. How you say my Zelle? I ain't pinning yet. I'm finna pin the Zelle now. Yesterday. It's been yesterday, huh? Let me go look. You sent the right Zelle? Need my trip this Saturday. My Zelle? What Zelle? What you send on Zelle? I ain't getting no, my Zelle right there. Zelle is the old number. It's 649. Let me check this name there. I ain't get no damn. I ain't get no damn Zelle. You ain't seen me no damn Zelle. I ain't getting no Zelle yet. I ain't get no Zelle from you. I ain't get no Zelle from you, girl. I know you lying. And now that I got was that true girl. That wasn't for Dominique. No, you ain't seen me nothing. I know you lying. Yeah, it's safe. The bed money safe, but just started adding my damn bed. Okay, I need 649. Oh, that's pretty. Let me follow that pretty thing, cause she sent me $5. I like to follow people that. Yeah, that's right, Bonnie. Save for my trip, cause she want me to money up for my bed. Bonnie got my bed money already. So let me find a pretty thing back, cause she sent me some money. You good? So let me find a pretty thing back. And she sent me some. Okay. Okay, we already found you. Okay, we already found you already. Safer trip, y'all. Safer trip. Cause the money. Girl. We might lie about nothing. Bonnie is on goddamn bad money. Safe for a trip y'all wanna send. I need help now, love.
A woman would not be proud to have the world's largest what? I'm gonna say husband, Steve. That's a good one, because I have never thought of that. That's good.
Yeah, I sent the money on Sparkle. Yes, I did. I already sent the money. I paid for Sparkle. I already sent it. I already sent the bond. But this is my bro. You can sit now, man, because this is my birthday trip. You can sit now. You can sit now, man. This is my birthday trip. This is my birthday trip now. You can sit now. You can sit now, Manny. Sit now, Manny. Yeah, this is my birthday. I'm going to my birthday trip early. Going now. I'm celebrating all damn month, matter of fact. All month. All month. Juicy cake. There's hey Juicy. Yeah, Apple Pay Juicy. You gonna sit on Apple Pay Juicy? Yeah, Apple Pay. I'm here, Juicy. Yeah, the eye broken.
Ears.
Yeah, Juicy. You still gonna? Oh, you gonna send the? Oh, this. Yeah, Juicy. I need money for my trip and money for. Yeah, you can send for the bed. And I need money for my trip this Saturday too. If you want to support both Juicy. Yeah. Okay, Manny. Okay.
Choices that, if they go your way, you get everything you've ever desired. Some of those choices are much bigger than others. The question is, did you make a choice like that?
Yeah, I got ants in here somewhere. Yeah, I got ants in here. Yeah, they itchy. I think one crawling now. Crawling somewhere, I don't know where it is. Can y'all sit there though? I need $649. Oh, my number right there. My number is my number. The 770 number. If you want to support both Juicy, you can send for my bed and trip if you want to. Cause my trip is just Saturday. I need to book my damn flight because that's selling how. I mean, over here itching over here. This ain't good. But I need $649 towards my trip. You want to help towards my trip? Ah! Oh, I need $600. Wait. Yeah, I need $649 towards my trip though. You got me over itching like hell. That's the old number. That number I got a new number I ain't using. That's an old number, girl. That's an old number. That ain't the main number. That's not the main number. That ain't the main number. That's my backup number. That's my app pay number. That ain't my.
Lost Medicaid or CHIP coverage? Healthcare.gov is here for you. Where can we find a low-cost health plan?
Yeah, my chief flight. It is a chief flight. It's like
Emergency care?
It is a chief. What job info, Raina? What job info? It's not a scam, is it? Cause I don't do scam information, Raina. It's not. Is it real? It's not a scam. It's not a scam, is it, Raina? Cause I don't do them scam flights. Hell no. I want something real. But I do want I do $649 because y'all can send in. I need $649. You can send to Apple. If you don't get Apple, just send to the Cash App if you don't get Apple. But for my bed, I just need 168 more for my bed. I need 168 more for my bed. I need 168 more. And my trip, I need $649. So if y'all can support both, go right ahead. Kill two jeans in one stone. Hey, Will. Yeah, I'm going to go on my trip this Saturday. I need $649 for my trip, and I need a bed. And I need a bed. We're gonna do two on two stone. People are so damn boy, girl, whoever you are. That's what I need. I didn't raise the money. I need $649. Can you read? Because I didn't get that kind of money yet. Damn. I gotta read. I didn't make no damn $600. Oh my God, these people are there. Ooh, y'all so crazy. Go back to school, please. I'm not finished. I'm trying to explain to these people that don't got that silly ass brain. That's how much I need to raise my trip. Can y'all read, please? I didn't make that kind of money. Oh, that's so goddamn. Ooh, y'all crazy. I need $649 towards my trip. I actually ready, and I need $168 towards my bed. Can y'all please read?
Check out this shoe that altered my brain chemistry. New hands-free Skechers Slip-ins. It's like Slip-ins have an invisible built-in shoe port, so my foot slides into place. Then the patented heel pillow technology keeps my foot comfy and secure. Mind blown.
Well, I'm getting both of them. I'm getting both. My trip is Saturday, so if I can get my bed, I need once again. I'm doing both. Yeah, I'm doing both cause I gotta book my flight. Yeah, my flight. You sent the money to buy. How much you sent to Bonnie? What you sent to Bonnie for my bed and trip? Juicy. I hate that I can't add y'all on here because every time I add people, it's a damn glitch. I ain't missing out a goddamn day. It's my birthday. It's a birthday trip. And I'm going on my damn trip with my damn friend. Sure is. My friend got me something planned for my birthday trip. I'm going. I ain't missing the opportunity. Sure is.